Bonjour guys and welcome back to French with Airlearn with me, Amelia. Today we're going to be going over the basic vocab associated with doing your household chores. Now you'd be surprised at just how many French learners get to near fluent level and then who start to neglect the basics of their French vocabulary, including me. That's why it's really important to get to grips with the basic actions that you're likely to use if you go to France or a French-speaking country, or if you interact with Francophones. So let's go through room by room on how to say each task. First off though, how do we say household chores in French? To say household chores in French, we say des tâches ménagères. Des tâches ménagères. Now that's out the way, let's start in the heart of the home, the kitchen. To cook is to faire la cuisine or cuisiner. Faire la cuisine or cuisiner. To do the dishes is faire la vaisselle. Faire la vaisselle. To do the laundry is faire la lessive. Faire la lessive. To mop the floor is essuyer le sol. Essuyer le sol. To take out the garbage or the rubbish is sortir la poubelle. Sortir la poubelle, quite literally, to take out the bin. To load the dishwasher is charger le lave-vaisselle. Charger le lave-vaisselle. To unload the dishwasher is décharger le lave-vaisselle. Décharger le lave-vaisselle. To clean the surfaces is nettoyer les surfaces. Nettoyer les surfaces. To do the ironing is faire le repassage or repasser. Faire le repassage or repasser. Moving on to chores that you do in the living room. To do the vacuuming is passer l'aspirateur. Passer l'aspirateur. To tidy up in general is ranger. Ranger. To sweep up is balayer. Balayer. To dust the furniture is dépoussiérer les meubles. Dépoussiérer les meubles. To polish the furniture is polir les meubles. Polir les meubles. To clean the windows is nettoyer les vitres. Nettoyer les vitres. What about in the bedroom? To make the bed is faire le lit. Faire le lit. To change the bedding is changer la literie. Changer la literie. To put your clothes away is ranger les vêtements. Ranger les vêtements. To fold the clothes is plier les vêtements. Plier les vêtements. Now, let's look at the chores that you might need to do in the bathroom. To change the bin bag, and this is the same for a bin that you'd change in the kitchen as well, is changer le sac poubelle. Changer le sac poubelle. To clean the toilet is nettoyer les toilettes. Nettoyer les toilettes. Toilet is plural in French. To clean the shower is nettoyer la douche. Nettoyer la douche. And to clean the sink is nettoyer l'évier. Nettoyer l'évier. To ventilate the room, you can say aérer la pièce. Aérer la pièce. Finally, let's look at the chores that you could do in the garden. To mow the grass is tondre le gazon. Tondre le gazon. To water the plants is arroser les plantes. Arroser les plantes. To plant seeds is semer des graines. Semer des graines. To weed is désherber. Désherber. To trim the hedges is tailler les haies. Tailler les haies. To rake the leaves is ratisser les feuilles. Ratisser les feuilles. To dig a hole is creuser un trou. Creuser un trou. To maintain the garden in general is entretenir le jardin. Entretenir le jardin. Now I hope that's either helped you go over old vocab that you might have forgotten, or learn some new phrases that you can sprinkle into your French conversation. As I said, nailing the basics of French vocab will only help you go on to be a confident French speaker in the future. So make sure you stick around this channel to keep topping up those knowledge reserves. Let us know in the comments how you get on, and I'll see you in the next video for more French learning. Bonne continuation!